Today we're going to be taking this retired office or school PC, it's a Dell OptiPlex 740, and turning it into a dedicated stream PC for console gaming or for a dual PC setup for the PC. We're going to test both of them out, see how it works. We're going to do the console with the capture card I got off of Temu for $20. Will be linked below. It's got an HDMI in and out, USB 3.0 or 2.0, headphone jack in or headphone jack out, and a mic jack. Or if you're doing dual PC, you can get away with the old $15 capture card I got off of Amazon. Everything will be linked down below. And if you stick to the end of this video, if you're thinking about doing something similar to this, you will see what surprise I have in store, but you have to wait till the end of the video. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. Today our test subject is a Dell OptiPlex 7040 bone stock, meaning no GPU, no extra RAM. It has an i5 6500, 4 cores, 4 threads, 8 GB stick of DDR4 RAM running at 2133 megahertz, integrated graphics 530, 180 watt power supply, 120 gigabyte M.2. Let's put this thing back together and test it on out. Alright, so before we get into the gameplay, I do want to do a quick rundown of the settings to achieve the 1080p 60 frames per second gameplay and streaming. So here we go. For my output, here are my settings. I do use the Quick Sync H264. I'm using CBR, bitrate at 4000. Target usage faster, but you could go up to medium quality if you like. Profile high, keep this at default. Latency normal, and I keep the B frames at 3. And just to show you, I am doing 1080 60 frames per second, and I am able to use all my starting screens, ending screens, be right back, just chatting, and get my notifications, alerts. And as you see up here, I got my follower, things like that. And if I had chat going right now, you'd be able to see the chat. I have all that going with low frames missed due to rendering lag and skipped frames. So without further ado, we are going to go ahead and go into the gameplay so you can see how this dedicated streaming PC holds up with this slightly cheap capture card as well.
Hello?
Shut up, Billy.
Excuse me? Hello? Oh, well, hello, friend.
What you want?
I am very sorry to disturb you. My friends and I, well, we got into some trouble up the way, lost in the storm. Gentlemen.
We can't help you, mister.
I got folks
Arthur.
dying on the
Arthur,
trail.
we got a problem. Folks, there's a corpse right here.
Now, I just
Arthur,
need some
there's a body
cans of food
in the
or
wagon.
something.
I hear you. Just
Gentlemen,
keep your eyes on Dutch.
please.
I think you should go now, buddy.
Now, friend, I ain't asking for much. Please, I am kind of desperate.
Hey, I don't believe it. Come here, partner. Come here. It's got over there. More of them. It's an ambush. One forward, boys. We got here first.
Watch out!
You sons of bitches! Look at him taking a run for it. Arthur!
Micah, go bring the horses closer to the house. Arthur, let's go search the cabin.
Smells like a party in here.
Turn the place upside down. Grab as many supplies as you can. We need the essentials. Food, medicine, whiskey.
Looks like the poor bastard was married too. At some point.
If we can't eat it or drink it, put it down.
All right, not too bad. CPU usage staying in the teens with a couple of spikes in the 20s. Look at all those beautiful frames and not a single one dropped from render or skipped. And, you know, we're staying at 60 FPS, and you can be a judge of the footage. But we're not going to stay too long in Red Dead. We're going to switch over to the PS5 and do a little bit of Call of Duty.
Te lo he rayado. Mira este conmigo, tío.
Enemy soldier incoming.
Alright, so looking at the footage, our CPU usage is a little bit higher in the high 20s, mid 30s, but everything's still looking pretty good. Did miss one frame a piece for render and encoding lags, but for a console option, this is still very doable. So let's go to the next game. Alright, and for the last test, we're going to do some cam on, testing with GTA 5, just the story mode, see what like high speed turns and things look like. Running pretty smoothly, like I expected. See if I can get to the highway real quick. See if we got any bad blurry vision when we get up to speed. Let's see how it looks. So far, everything looking pretty good on my end. No frames lost. So yeah, we're about to conclude this video. This just gives you a kind of a look. Couple different games, couple different perspectives. How will it look if you were to stream on this configuration? Alright, so we made it to the end of the video. It's been a course of 3 days recording this video because I have come down with a cold, and I was waiting until I got a little better to do a little bit more, gameplay footage. And my conclusions is this would be a great solution for console gamers, retro gamers, or anybody who has a PC that can't handle streaming, such as me. My 3070 sometimes gives me problems while streaming. It'll make my computer bog down and give me issues, so I'll definitely be using this. Now, a couple of cons that I have is some of the footage or some of the games may not look as appetizing to the viewers. And I'm not 100% sure if that is due to the encoding from the CPU or if it's from the capture card. So I'll be doing more videos in the future to see. I actually already have a GPU that I'm going to put in it, a NVIDIA GPU, and use the invent coding to see if the gameplay looks better. And I will be getting another capture card soon in the future. But if you're starting off and you're on a budget, I mean, I got this computer secondhand for $50 off of Facebook Marketplace. You can get them a little bit more expensive off of eBay, and this one's bone stock, so you can add a little bit more RAM and things of that nature, and you could probably make a beast of a dedicated stream PC. As is, it's great for people who's just starting off. There's no need to spend all that money and a $150 capture card and a $300 plus gaming PC build for a dedicated PC, when you can go ahead and grab one of these, maybe throw a used GPU in it, and you'll have a great dedicated stream PC. And for the surprise that I was speaking of, at 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to be giving away this whole setup that I use for this video. Well, not the whole setup, but the whole streaming setup. So I will be giving away the Dell OptiPlex 7040, this capture card that I got off of Temu, and I'm gonna throw in this Macropad that I use to switch scenes and things of that nature. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button, because I'm only gonna give it away to a subscriber, and I'm waiting until I get to 1,000 subscribers. You have nothing to lose. It's a free PC. I'm shipping it to you as long as you're in the United States. Shipping is free. And if you're outside of the United States, depending on how much the shipping costs, I may ask you for a little help on the shipping, because I am an up-and-coming creator, and I'm not the richest guy. That's why I'm doing a budget series. So y'all stay tuned for the next video. And also in the subscription, hashtag PC giveaway in order. So you must subscribe, hashtag PC giveaway. I'm gonna go ahead and do a live selection of who gets the whole combination, and I will be shooting a video of me sending it. I ask that the receiver, give a validation video, because I know scamming is a big thing out here, and I'm not here to scam. I'm here to go ahead and give away some budget equipment, because I'm a budget type of guy, and my whole streaming setup is made of budget things, and I'd like to support the community that is helping me rise. So I will be giving away the Dell OptiPlex 7040, the Macropad, and the capture card to one lucky subscriber when I hit 1,000 subscribers. Free shipping if you're in the United States. You don't have to do anything but hit the subscribe button. And thank you for watching. I did say that I am going to be doing a video with a GPU in it to see if it makes it look a little better. And if you're a company that wants some product reviews, you can definitely contact my business email that will be in the description, and I'll be looking forward to working with you. So thank you for watching 6-7 TV, and see you on the next one.